as Mary Ryder. And today I'm going to be unboxing Flames, Zombie and Flames, and Skeleton Horse. I can hear the lock.
The only two that you didn't unbox yesterday, right?
Yes.
This is Series 3 of the minifigures from Minecraft, and another ones.
Yep. And
the only two we're missing, he's unboxing now, and then we're going to give you the codes for all of them at the end.
Okay.
See what you got.
And pause. We paused it because you don't like to reveal the laugh.
Okay. We got the Zombie in Flames, and who else you got there?
We got pause.
Okay. Go ahead and put them on top of your supercharger. Tell us why that's out.
Okay. This is out because today.
These are the last two. Real quick, let me show you these. This is the Zombie in Flames and the Skeleton Horse. And we'll give you those codes in just a minute. He wants to tell you about his supercharger.
I'm going to make a Minecraft mod for superchargers. And for the first update, where it lets the beginning part, I'm going to put this in it. And that's it.
Okay.
Once again, this is made for, I got this from Agent Guy Gamer. Thank you. And thank you.
Okay, I'm going to give you the code. Show us again who you got today.
We got
Zombie in Flames.
Flames and Skeleton Horse.
Which completes the set of all these. And let me see one of those boxes.
Oh, it was the first time.
Okay, on the bottom of the box where the UPC number is, if you look, there's an engraving of letters, and then it says MOB at the end of the letters, and then a letter, which is, or a number, no, a letter, and then 3. So this one's MOBL3, and they all have something 3. So look on the bottom of the box. This is all the codes. We made a list for you guys, so when you go to get them, you don't have to buy them blindly and end up with doubles. So you see they all have something 3, B3, C3, E3, etc. But 2 of the ones we gave you yesterday were actually wrong, so check this list. Scratch the one out we gave you yesterday and use this one instead. This is all 12 of the entire Series 3, all the codes, so you don't have to buy any of them blindly. Okay, Ryder, you want to say peace out and show them what you got again today?
You don't have to be blind.
Right. Okay, so.
This actually really got me blinded one day.
What do you say?
Thank you. Peace out, guys. One day really got me blinded.
Leave a like, subscribe, peace out, thanks for watching.
It really got me actually real blinded one day.
Alright, peace out.
Peace out.